Today we are going to take a look at the billing process in its natural habitat. Let's go! Before we go any further, we must make sure that the area is safe and we have proper controls in place. This is our good friend Ranger Rick
Howdy there.
from the BARCR National Forest.
And I'm here to confirm that this is a safe place for you guys to be exploring.
Ranger, we have a few questions for you. Do you review, ship, but not build sales orders to ensure operations effectiveness and input completeness?
Well, yes, sir.
Ranger, do you check for authorized prices, terms, freight, and other discounts when billing?
You bet your sweet hiney we do.
Ranger, are there independent billing authorizations and independent pricing data to ensure input validity?
Validity? That's my middle name.
Ranger, do you compare shipping records to sales order master data to ensure input validity and accuracy?
Out in these woods every day for the past 30 years.
And finally, Ranger, are there procedures in place for rejected inputs to ensure for completeness and accuracy?
Procedures? Well, we're going to do some of them right now. Come on, Bindi.
I hear something. Come on. It's the billing process in its natural environment. Let's watch.
Hi, billing clerk. Here's all the sales orders that came in last night.
We've been here for a while, so let's see what the billing process is up to now.
Hi, billing clerk. Here's all the shipping notices from today, so now you can make out those invoices.
Thanks.
Let's see what the billing clerk is up to now. It looks like she's comparing information between the shipping notice and the sales notice. By doing this, she's providing a validated shipping notification that she needs for the invoice. She's preparing the invoice now. Well, it looks like she's gathering all the customer information she needs to send the invoice out. And she's now creating the invoice. And now printing. Updates. Let's see now. It looks like she's updating the accounts receivable master data. Oh, now she's adding an invoice to the sales event data or the sales journal. And the last thing, now she's notifying the general ledger process that a sale has occurred.
The only thing left to do is mail the invoice.
Here we have a chance to see a bill in the wild. Let's check it out. You have to be very gentle. Very gentle. Crikey! Let's go get it! Gotcha! Come on, I got you. Let's look at you more closely. Crikey! A monthly customer statement. And an invoice. We've had a great time checking out the billing process. Let's go check out the accounts receivable. And now we are taking a look at the accounts receivable process in the shipping area. Remember, kids, safety first. We're on the hunt for a wild animal. Come on, I think we'll find something. We've got to. Come on. was, Snake, it would have bitten me. Oh, thank goodness. I didn't have to chase this one. This creature is a part of the accounts receivable master data family. This common creature here, mates, is an open item system. It's where the customers make payments for specific invoices when they are due. Here you'll find sales returns in action. The receiving clerk inspects and accepts customer returns by completing a sales return notification, sending one copy to billing, one to the warehouse along with the goods, and one to internal audit. The warehouse clerk signs their copy to acknowledge receipt of the goods and sends it to billing. Then they update their internal stock records.
Billing clerks validate returns by comparing the sales return notification received from the receiving clerks with the signed copy received from the warehouse. They input the return into the system, which creates a new record in the sales return transaction file, updates the accounts receivable and inventory master files, and prints a 2-copy memo. One copy of the credit memo is sent to the customer, and the other copy is sent to internal audit. At the end of the day, the controller is sent a summary of the day's activity to update the revenue returns, accounts receivable, cost of goods sold, and inventory general ledger accounts. Billing clerks also look for sales return notification from receiving clerks that have not yet been matched to a signed copy from the warehouse and follow up on any that are more than a few days old. I cannot believe I got another paper in the mail on a bill, and I know that I don't owe this much. I get bills every day, but of course, here I am again with another big bill. It's got to make me mad. I am not paying this.
I don't know. I'm scared. Let's take a look. A little bit closer. What I thought.
I do not want to pay this. This bill is way too much. I am not paying that.
Bad debts. What a journey. Let's take a look at the cash receipts process.
Jungle boogie, jungle boogie, get it on. Jungle boogie, jungle boogie, get it on. Jungle boogie.
Crikey, we found the cash receipts.
Each day the process begins with mailroom clerks opening the mail, where they will find a remittance advice and customer check. Immediately the clerks endorse all checks and separate the customer checks and remittance advice into 2 separate piles. Now that the mail clerk forwarded the remittance advice to accounts receivable, he prepares the daily deposit of customer checks.
Off to the bank.
Say, shoot, I did it again.
Cool shade of the banana tree on the rugged trail to a child of the 20th century.
You're like,
A dried up Goliath and a
I'm tired of this project, Jeff.